NASDAQ this week has make a little bit more pushing the price on the higher price levels, and the price has reached 17679.94, where the price stopped and returned back down. We can see that the peak was on a Wednesday after the price has fall down on the 17392. We can see that the price this week has risen in value and it has returned back down. So there is some kind of a small resistance in this area around 17600 area price level, and we can see that the price is trying to reach lower price levels, but the price has stopped just here, very close to this one, a small support level at 17336. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that this week was also a bullish candle, but with a strong wick on the upper side. So this is just suggesting that there is some kind of support level and also supply zone where the sellers are waiting, but we can also count that this could be all-time high price level where the bulls do not know where is the strongest selling pressure, so they are watching and also exiting their trades at the end of the week just to protect their trades, just in case if the price reaches some kind of strong selling pressure and also strong supply zone, just not to get wiped out with a strong candle going down reaching 17000. Now if we take a look on the monthly time frame, we can see that this month was also a bullish one where the price has made breakout to the upside here above 17,000. So the price is reaching and also making all-time high price level. It's very hard to predict where the price will stop and also where is the supply zone, where you have all-time high each day and also each week reaching, but as a round number is 18,000 as a final one target for now for the price. What could happen in between these two price levels? Who knows, but we will see how the market behaves. As it looks right now, we have 3 more days until this month ends, so this month will close as a bullish one as it looks right now. The range area from 17392 below up to 16817, it's less likely that the price will return hardly that strongly and closing it back down, closing this month as a bearish one compared to the current status. So I'm expecting that the price will stay where it is right now, maybe bouncing a little bit more or returning back down around 1700. But then I am not expecting that the price will return back down and close below 16,800. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that it's very important level, this one here, which is a 16,800, but we can see that 17,000 is also a round number, which is the first strong support level for the price. On the upper side, we do not have anything except 18,000, so this is the first resistance level for the price. On the daily time frame, we can see that a very important level as a small one on the daily time frame will be this one, which is 17,325. I will put this one here. Just a minute, change the details. I want to see it on the only daily time frame. So this will be inside, just a minute. So I need to put this one supply zone and demand zone. Just a minute. This should be visible only on the daily time frame, and I would like to see this one all the way to the December this year. Okay, right. Just a minute, I need to change this one also. Rectangle. Stretch this one all the way. This one. Okay, now we can see where are the supply and demand zones. So we can see currently around 17,300 we have currently a demand zone that will prevent the price from falling down as it has happened here this week. So if the price closes below this one, we could expect and the price will reach in the first support level, and that is around 17,000. When that happens, we will see what happens. Will the price make a break to the downside, which will trigger the next sell-off around 16,800, and we will see then is the price bouncing back up or falling even more down. If the price bounced from here, from this demand zone, we can expect price reaching higher price levels. So this will be a small resistance level for the price, which is 17,500 on the daily time frame. So if the price makes a breakout to the upside, closes the day above this one, we can expect the price will try to reach higher price level. So if something happens, if there is any breakout to the downside or the upside, I will also mention that inside the trading community during the week. Each day I check what happens on the market and share the details. So we have 3 more days for the next week until this month ends, so we'll see how the month closes and also if there is anything on the market that is happening. You can find the link for the trading community below in the description, so if you would like to check it, feel free to check it. See you next time and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!